Hello guys, my name is Ryan Retrostructs. Today we're gonna make this thing. Paper ballisong. Now, first thing you'll need is a recycled cardboard or any cardboard, scissor, one paper clip that you bend into straight, and then you let's get started. First thing you do is take your piece of cardboard, you're just gonna cut it. Measure your arm to there. Yep, it's right there. A bit more than there you go. This. You become nothing like this. Cut into half too. Measure it with your hand, both of it, and then measure it, flip, you can
Let's get started.
Bend it into, like, yeah, into this. First you do it like this. Do the same with the other one. Important thing is you take your thing and you cut like that. Not okay. I'm gonna show you now. Not here, but up here. You cut it like that to make like this. Just cut that and cut the other one. So I have two of these. And then get to the main point. Take a knife or a scissors. Just gonna make a hole. First gotta adjust. Then right there. Right there. Adjust it first. Then make a hole. Just gonna make a hole. Take a knife or a scissor. Your scissor. It's gonna make a hole like that. You're just gonna do this. It'll make a hole. Not a really big one, but not really tiny too. And then you take a paper clip, put it inside. If it's good, do with the other side. Make one done with the one side. And then you do like this. Do something like that, so you can see. Wait, and you're done. Oh yeah. Do the same with the other one. So yeah, it fits. You make a hole in here too, both sides. Put it in. Right. Oh yeah. The trick is put here first side, then you do there one, that one, then the second one. Yep, like that. Just that. Then you do the same. Just gonna do that, and you're done. If you want, you can just like tape this thing. So it won't go like this or like that or like so. Like that. Paper ballisong. Have to make it more perfect first. That's kinda it. Paper ballisong. You just watched how to make paper ballisong. So thanks for watching and peace out.